we're going to be learning how to use cosine rule in solving bearing related problems. So based on that, according to the rule, say that if we have this other side being the side, side A, to find side A means b squared plus cos A. So to find the angle A, what we need here will be cos A, that is b squared plus c squared minus a squared divided by 2 times b times what c. That is how we're going to get it. So based on that, let's go to the question we have. In the question, from what we have in the question, we are going to be applying this very one. We're going to learn how to apply this very one in solving problem. The question says from a point on the edge of the C, that means we have our C here. This is the edge, and then it said that a ship is 6 kilometers away on a bearing of south 54 degree east. That means if we're talking about that, this means, this one is the one we call compass bearing. Compass bearing because it has the cardinal point there. This other one south, which means since it's south, it means that the bearing is coming from here, giving you 54 degree. Then the distance is what? 6 kilometer. 6 kilometer. That is the first ship. The first one. Now the second one is on the bearing of south 62 degree west. That means it's going this way. This one is 3 kilometer. And then here is what? 62 degree. So the question said, how far apart are the ships? This is the second one. And then the distance here is what we're looking for. So that's why I said that we're going to be using this very one. So based on what we have here, we can call this place our A now. Here can be our capital A. This one will be our what? We can call it B. And here will be our C. So each of these sides are represented there. Since we are looking for this A, being the side, the distance apart, what we do here is A squared equal to B side. This is B is the angle B here. The side is what? 6. Then the side angle C, the side angle is what? 3. Minus 2 times 6 times 3. Now we can say cos A. According to this is cos A. Now how do we get our cos A? Which means we sum this thing, we sum it together. If we sum 54 plus 62, what we have will be 116 degree. So what we have here is 116 degree. So based on that, 6 squared will give us 36. 3 squared will give us 9. And then 2 times 6 or 3 times 6 will give us I think let me use calculator please so that I won't make mistake. 3 times 6 times 2, everything will give us 36 cos. So the next one here, we sum this one up. When we start 36 plus 9, we have 45 minus 36 cos this. Cos 116 is in the second quadrant and it's always negative. So if we calculate this now, if we to get this thing, perhaps we're going to be using calculator to get it done, but then it's going to give us a negative sign. That will give us minus because in the second quadrant, cos is always negative. Remember, we have it. This is and only sign is what? Positive here. So the second quadrant this is the second quadrant. So that's why we have it negative here. So minus 36, multiply this, we'll have a positive sign, and minus 36, we have plus 15 points. Can stop it here. And then 45. When we sum it up, plus 45, we have a 60.78. Everything squared. So to find the angle now, to find the side, this side we are looking for, A will be equal to squared. Find the square root of that. The square root is equal to 7 points. Approximately, and then approximately it will give us about 7.80 kilometer. So this is our answer. Thank you so much for being part of the class. If you have any question, you can always leave it in the comment section. We will attend to you, and this very question we have solved will be in the description section. We encourage you to share, like, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you so much for being part of the class.